Good afternoon to all of you. This is our last day of 1 week FTP in the era of pandemics of COVID. Opportunity to use online mediums for communication has received big boost in this period. And this has given rise to numerous conduct of online programs throughout the country in academic institutions. In fact, many FDBs are conducted on using various tools for online teaching, learning, and e-content developments. But most of the programs like webinars, workshop, STPs, FTPs, etc. were covering the contents of wide range of nature. In this period of pandemics, I received numerous mails, messages, WhatsApps regarding organization of such programs like webinars, workshops, FTPs. I was continuously observing it. I was continuously going through the contents of such programs. In such cases, I observed that the contents are of wide variety. I compared it on factors like platforms, variability, complexity, cost, availability, and some of the other factors. Friends, also the tools should be less complex, easy to use, web-based, cost-effective, and on single platform. These are the features. What features we prepare for the video editing software. So, for this FDP purpose, the G Suite is selected. It is easy to understand, easy to operate, web-based, free, and on single platform. Online teaching and content development can be a long and arduous process depending on what you are looking to help users achieve. That's why you need to work with the right content development tools. They can make your life a lot easier by driving up efficiency, productivity, enhancing your designs, and adding the right functionality to your teaching and training courses. Whether you are finding content development to be a struggle or you are just looking for ways to improve your process, there are great e-learning content development tools available that will help you take your course making efforts to the next level. Mobile ready and cloud-based tools are built for the collaboration. It comes with course templates as well as smart objects that allow you to implement multimedia elements with ease. Such tools are also great for those who are either programmers or the more technically inclined, since you can create, insert custom scripts. If you are worried about trying to cater to different learning styles, then you will want to look at tools of e-learning solutions which make it easy to integrate videos, flowcharts, sliders, and variety of other multimedia objects in your courses and in your contents. Tools should be also highly customizable with a variety of themes. The ability to tweak how many you want pages or menus to look, and more the conclusions look for tools and solutions that are right for you. Ultimately, no one can tell you which authoring or LMS content development applications are best. Dear friends, it depends on your team size, your resources, your technical knowledge, as well as what you are comfortable with. Fortunately, there are plenty of easy to use solutions available, making it possible for even beginners to get started in course authoring without a lot of fuss. Interactivity is at the heart of today's best e-learning content. The day of passively reading plain text on page are fading away. Educators need to keep learners stimulated through deeper engagement and requiring users to interact with material enriches the experience and reinforces the lessons at hand. Dear friends, interactive training material can be created without much technical know-how thanks to authoring tools, software that enables the building and packaging of e-learning content. When it comes to selecting an authoring tool, consider what software is best suited to building a particular course and how its features can be harnessed to get the job done and meet learning objective. Ask yourself, see the features specifically. It is easy to use. Is the design and layout easy on the eye and easy to navigate? Is the UI intuitive? What features does it have? As well as integrating media, you may want some kind of assessment capability or feedback functions. Collaborative authoring might be another selling point, usually offered by online only tools. While content authoring tools abound in the form of both desktop and web offerings, cloud-based systems usually incorporate more flexibility, sharing, and the ability for real-time collaboration. Conversely, install packages can pack a more powerful punch in terms of number and the scope of features. Conversely, what limitations are there? It is a WYSIWYG tool, or will you need programming annals to find your way around? Are there templates for content? And if so, just how customizable are they? What output forms are supported? Flashed HTML5 is it? Take into account any key features that might be missing, such as audio or video recording capability, and factor in the cost of those additional tools. For starters, here are authoring tools that don't require wealth of technical knowledge to use. Google Classroom Articulate boasts more than million of users. It offers different packages, facilities like docs, sheets, slides, etc. Slides is based around the ubiquitous Microsoft PowerPoint software and is geared towards users with PowerPoint training content that they want to repurpose, enabling quick conversion of presentations into e-courses and e-contents. It also encompasses 4 key packages, facilities like presenter, engaged quizmaker, and video encoder. Respectively, these facilities tools enable the creation of graphics-based presentations, assessments and surveys, quizzes, and interactive contents and video conversions for all recordings. Classroom ups the ante. While it also has PowerPoint import facility, it's a rather advanced tool aimed at more experienced developers and more complex projects. With quiz, you can create virtually any type of quiz, course, interactive content, or software simulation, either built from scratch or using template. Content is input via form, style fields, or placed into slides via drag and drop. Through the G Suite, users can build interactive scenarios, making objects react to user actions. For example, a button can change color once clicked, or trigger feedback in response to interactions, such as an incorrect response to a question. This can also branch out into ever more complex storylines. What's more, there are reusable, meaning they can be duplicated in other projects and tweaked as needed. A real-time saver for anyone building multiple e-courses, e-contents along similar lines. One of the most powerful features is the screen recording function. and the option to augment the resulting video with captions, characters, and various effects. If you want to create a software simulation storyline, will automatically break it up into step-by-step tutorials. Learners can watch how to perform a task in view mode, then try it out for themselves and assess their aptitude in test mode. Plus, contents can be tailored to the needs of the individual learners. For example, if a person performs poorly on assessment, you could choose to insert additionally information at the end of their benefits. Output formats are web and mobile friendly, including HTML5, Flash, iOS compatibility. It can also publish to Word, Podcast, and CD. Many tools offer 30-day free trial on its products. Both tools are licensed, can be priced for more than $1,000 or download to use.